Hello, whoever is out there on the internet. So I saw this article. As looks looked interesting. The ghost of closure in C. I feel very uneasy when I see closures. Um. Oh shit! I forgot. Okay. Do we care about C problem? Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. I don't get this. Oh, because when you give it to Sword. By reference or what? Kinda. C++ lambdas. Nee, dankjewel. No, thank you. Apple blocks. What is Apple blocks? Oh, here. Whatever. Where is the cost of closure? Okay, let's see the answer. Maybe I don't know. This is too much. I can handle this right now. Okay, it was a chart that I missed. Femtoseconds. It's no difference. Okay, it was not beyond my understanding, but beyond my desire to exert effort. Okay. Let's start doing actual stuff. So we will need database, I guess. Xcode is dying as always. Why is Xcode all of a sudden so slow? I don't understand. I do not understand why is it taking so long all of a sudden. Like everything is so slow. Okay, we'll just go straight here, and what we want to be doing is have some kind of background service. Um, Some kind of a background service. Why do we want a background service? I don't know. Do we want any of this? Maybe, maybe not. So nothing changed. Swift 6.2. That's what we have. Huh. Documentation coverage. Wow. This is way better. Look, now we can have amazing change. Okay, I don't think I want this for now, but what we would want is something like background service or whatever. Hey, Alex. So, and then in the background service, how are we gonna use it? Binding socket, listening, start. Why is this is not binding socket? This is binding socket. Background image stuff. So we want something like this. All right, and we just give it dependencies and a block, right? And a block like what? Background image resize. I don't know for now. We'll make something up. Okay, and then starting background tasks, and we just do what do we do? So now we have a problem where we want to like run it, I guess. But then this will not exit ever. So this is where stuff like service lifecycle, blah blah blah, would come in, because we would put this and that and this. But let's make it first work like this, right? So this eventually will move out. Some dependency provider block is I don't even know why I need this, because function type cannot have labels. That's correct. Property declares. So I mean any dependency provider. Right, and we make public func background inventory size okay. So the job of this is to do what? Run this over and over, I guess. No. It just does block, right? And the block's job is to do whatever it wants. Okay. Why even have this? So this would be something like while task locals. What are task locals? What is task local? So if we do something like this, it will just sleep and then run again and then sleep and run again. Amazing. This is amazing. I wish they had like a better example. Okay. So if we add this for now here, package URL. When is this? What's the version 291? And then this depends at what's it called? Service lifecycle, I guess. Okay. So this would be service, right? Service must be sendable, I guess. So this should be sendable. Sendable. And then we can also say extension for Postgres service. We should do it then. Why wouldn't it be service? What if you cancel a task multiple times? Okay, does nothing. Okay. And what is service protocol exactly? Just this. Amazing. So something like, but then it should say self tasks pull task value. Available once in success. Okay, why am I doing this? I just need it for the server for now. Extension declares this may not behave correctly. Yeah, I want this warning for now. Then here we should import service lifecycle and make a new service group. Something like this. Oh. Why is it killed? Why is it killing it? So where is the stuff that's supposed to happen? What is this? Where is my exit? Where is my exit? Oh, by default, nothing. Amazing. That is amazing. What is sig term? I never know which signal is which signal. What do they say? They say, go away, is what they say. They say, why are you here? We don't want you to be here at all. Don't come here anymore. Cancellation signals. What is cancellation signal? What is the difference? The signals that lead to cancellation, the signals that lead to, well, why is it not just obvious stuff that you want? Like this. I'm so annoyed. Unique signal. What is sig term? Like, what does Control C do? What does which signal Control C sends? Sig int interrupt. Okay. Sig int and sig term, right? Yeah, so the difference, so what I want to know is the difference between this and this. Like, I don't know what they're called. A symbol by default sig term and 9 is kill. Oh, but so that doesn't really matter. You can't really do kill here. Okay. Okay, let's run it. Missing argument for parameter logger. Yeah. Sig term is a default. Yes, there is a difference between when you press Ctrl C and when what kill does. Let's test it, right? So what is the PID? $97340. So this is what, like, if you're not running it interactively, right? Okay, so it seems to be not working. Okay, so the difference is, okay, cool. And if I do minus, okay, this is so dumb. I don't know why this is dumb. Signal. What is the argument was? Why would you want? Well, I guess you sometimes want to distinguish blah 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 blah. Sometimes you want to so there is like a is graceful shutdown blah blah blah. Sometimes you want to distinguish, we don't want to distinguish. Okay, so now it should work. So this is normal, right? Dogs to go. Okay, cleanup, done. So one of them exited, that's fine. Why did it not cancel the server? Oh. How do we stop this? It will never exit. Okay, there is quiescence. There is this quiescence helper, Swift Neon, something like that. I don't want to do HTTP 2, I just want to do HTTP 1. Quiescing helper. Help quiescence a server by notifying user code when all previously open connections have closed. I would want an example of this. I don't understand. How do you even do anything? Like, how am I to signal to this that I am to cancel it? Foundation DB, blah blah blah. Like, the only thing I can come up with is is just loop and sleep from time to time, and then so there is an example for HTTP server that they do. Not anymore. Okay. Maybe here. I think here. But they don't really. So at like server closed, this will never unblock as we don't close the channel. How difficult it is. So you need to close the channel, right? Do we save the channel? Do we? Alright, there's stop listening. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Stop listening, right? I don't know how to... what to even do. Like... I don't know. How can I wait until task is cancelled? Can I sleep for infinity? Task sleep for infinity. Forever. Well, I mean, like, task sleep for... Okay, you know what we're gonna do? Public strict closer. No. We're gonna make a public func close channel kill the server. We should do this in here maybe, but maybe not. So we're gonna just do this for, I don't know, years, right? Okay. Did I write some of this? No, right? Is it days or something? Is it duration? For duration. Oh yeah, I have this. I wrote this. Sleep since what? What does this do? Huh? Is this until supposed to be called? Duration since. Oh, it's duration since this date. I get it. Okay, that's not a very good name, but okay. Okay, let's just add a comment. How much time have passed since the date? Okay, amount. So what we want to do is minutes, right? Is it duration minutes? No. So seconds. 60 times amount. Minutes. And hours. And days. Am I doing it correctly? Days is 24 hours, which is minutes. And, well, okay, it's fine. Just fine. So we'll just sleep for days. For this many days. Okay, and then we catch an error, cancellation error. sleep is cancelled for this guy. So now we can close the server, right? This is my amazing plan. Is it amazing or not? Because we can do server is, and then finally, I saw a video about GitHub Actions. Am I surprised? No, because GitHub, well, first of all, okay, GitHub Actions is like the worst thing I ever saw anywhere. It's like the most impossible to work with and the dumbest idea. What the fuck? Just in general. I'm writing the same code as they did. Got him. Why? Well, I'm not sleeping in a while loop. Come on now. I'm sleeping normal. But I guess that it's a little bit strange. Funny. Okay. So in the end, right, we can just kill the server. So from dependencies we get HTTP server. So why am I writing the same code? I want to know. And we just do stop listening. You mean from, I saw like, I scrolled through the videos that Primeagen made. I usually don't watch him, but this was like, I was not hate watching him, but hate watching GitHub Actions. I was like, what next did they come up with? What's can it get worse? Okay. Try it. Ooh, we need to do pretty logs on. But tell me, what is it that's not nice? Huh? Oh yeah, it doesn't work. Annoying. Why doesn't this work? Because sleeping for 10 years. Yeah, I just want to sleep until cancellation. Maybe I should do that. Why? I thought when you cancel stuff, when task is... Oh, I should start this guy. Come on now. I should also run this, right? So server and another background server that does kill the server. Okay. Okay, now it should work. Sleeping for 10 years, yeah. What was it? The one that failed to run, failed to stop? Ah, perfect. Okay, it works. Let's do like 80 years so that I'm dead. Yeah, I think it's fine, right? So we can actually do something like extension task. Where's task? I don't have task extensions. Okay. Okay. I'll just gonna make public func sleep until cancelled. Try sleep for duration. No, not for duration. What is 10,000 years? 100,000 days in years. Yeah, perfect. What is called do? Errors throw from here. Does this have a type throw? Sleep until cancelled. I think we should do this. How do you do this? How do you check? Like this? I don't understand. How do you do this? Difficult life, huh? An unknown error occurred, yeah. Man, come on. Can you make a website or not? You have what is it, 4 trillions we checked last time? Swift, try, catch, specific error types. Catch let as Is it? To bind meshed value. Catch, fatal error. Even Apple don't know how to handle. Exactly. Caught unexpected error. Okay, something like this we need to do, and then yeah. Well, actually, this is like this, more like. Right? Yeah, that makes more sense. I don't know why we made this, but okay. So we don't need to try, we don't need to catch. We can just do sleep until cancelled and then do this, right? Does it make sense? Now we hidden our 10,000 year sleep. So now it's a good code. Now we're passing the review. But this, I do like this, that you just write these functions, right? And then this, you can run them. Okay, does it work? Should work, right? Okay, yeah. Starting and then stop listening works. That's nice. And we wait until not listening inside the server, right? But how can we combine this and this so you don't have to do this? Something task group something, right? Is there like cancellation support in this? No, but it has nothing to do with this at all. Do we do something like cancelled is wait sleep until cancelled, and this one is listening like this, and then we canceled this. What about this? Constant listening inferred. Yes, it is void. Yes, it is void. Right? And then we don't need this. Then we just say try await stop listening. Or even like this, right? Cannot convert value of task to specified type void await. Expression is unused. Does it work like this? It should work like this. I hope it works. No, it does not. Does it work like this? Why is it like this? Why is it not working? Server is stopping, wait for stop listening to finish before wait not listening. What server is stopping? Wait for start listening to finish before calling. Oh, because I didn't do okay. I just want one call. Shall we not also start we start listening, right? It does nothing. Returns URL. Okay, we'll just leave it here for now. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Kind of nice though, right? Okay. Well, the next thing is to actually start doing stuff in here, right? So resize images, right? Public function resize images. I think throws. So it would need to get the database connection, right? Okay, so instead of this, just sleep for 30 seconds. Just do this, right? This is what it does. Why would this need to throw? The question is if there is something wrong in here, right? Do we want to die? Yes. What if there is something wrong in here? What if we just throw failure potatoes? Right? So what we want to do is everything to die. I hope this happens. Okay. This is not where the file is, but sure. How docs2go server / resize images. That's not where it is. Why is it missing? Annoying, huh? I think it's a bit annoying. Whatever, man. Doesn't work. Why is this? Where is this? It's broken. This whole thing is. I hate Xcode. Where is it? Custom string convertible inspect. Okay. First of all, this is always gets erased when I use / open brace. So I put a open brace, and how does this? I have an open brace, and I want to put something inside it, like 42, right? Where is my closing brace? Where did it go? Function file line. Function at file line. This is not a file, but sure. Annoying. Okay, everything is hidden taxes for putting it in a string. Apple tax, yeah, exactly. Also, we're gonna eat your folders. But okay, so this works well. What do we want to do? So every 30 seconds. I don't like this. No. Images resized is this, and then wait period is images resized is 0, then duration seconds 30, otherwise duration seconds 3. Okay. My washing machine always steals one of the socks. The same for braces. Okay. Await, sleep. Don't start everything all at once. No, I wanted to put like a wait here, so there's if we have like 20 tasks, they don't all just start, but okay, it's not what we have. We have a different problem. Okay. So we return 0, right? So what I want to do is add some logging into each iteration, right? Okay, let's first resize it. So, try dependencies get. Now it's gonna fail. Any select star from images, whatever, where mine is to I'll just print images. Just every 10 seconds do this. Like it will already break here. Service with scoped lifetime cannot be instantiated from root provider. So now we have a problem. This gives you no idea where this is from. Like, no idea. I'm so annoyed. Why can't we just... Oh, how is this even... Like, what? I hate it. Why is there no stack traces? Well, I mean, or ability to attach it. Can I do this? Yeah, that has no help. This is no help. And then there is one that makes it error stack. Error as failure stack. Does this help? Dependency depend. Okay, so at least you can like understand this. Okay, I guess. At least you can understand this a little bit, at least. That's amazing, of course. Oh. What's padding plus 2. Negative count is not allowed. Amazing. Okay. All right. Okay. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Okay, so then here, let's see if that works. Print JSON stringify error as failure. Pretty true as string. Okay, here's our stack. Amazing. Amazing. Is it amazing? I don't think so. Okay, but at least we will know, right? If we run it now. If we run it now, we'll at least know what failed and whatever. We know that this failed, right? Resize dependency is called dependency, blah blah blah. We cannot like parse this bullshit, but at least we can kind of read this. Okay, cool. Set up image resize. Okay, it's time for break and some food, and I'll be back later. Okay, bye. Sleep for 10 years and until cancelled, and then I'll be back.